Deserts are dry, arid regions of land that receive less than 25 centimeters, 10 inches, of precipitation per year. They are characterized by hot sunny days and cold clear nights. Deserts can be found on every continent except Antarctica.
If we combine all the deserts in the world, the total area would be about 36 million square kilometers, 14 million square miles. This is about 16% of the Earth's land surface.
The Sahara Desert is the largest desert in the world, covering an area of 9 million square kilometers. It is located in North Africa and Strait.
The Arabian Desert is the second largest desert in the world, covering an area of 6.3 million square kilometers. It is located in the Middle East and stretches from Egypt to Iran. Gobi Desert is the third largest desert in the world, covering an area of 1.3 million square kilometers. It is located in Asia and stretches from Mongolia to China. The Atacama Desert is the driest desert in the world, with some areas receiving no rainfall for centuries. It is located in South America and stretches from Chile to Peru. Deserts are home to a variety of plants and animals that have adapted to the harsh conditions. Like, the largest cactus forest in the world is the Sonoran Desert in Arizona and Mexico. The tallest grass in the world is the bamboo, which can grow up to 130 feet tall. There are over 6,000 species of lizards. Camels can drink up to 130 liters, 35 gallons of water in just 15 minutes. Fennec foxes are considered to be a vulnerable species due to habitat loss and hunting. The most venomous snake in the world is the black mamba. A gallon of its venom can cost up to $39 million. Solpugids can run at speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. Tassili. It is one of the largest and most important rock art sites in the world. Sand is produced through the weathering of rocks and minerals. The sand in deserts can also be produced by the weathering of other rocks, such as granite and limestone. Rocks are broken down into smaller pieces by the forces of wind, water, and ice. These smaller pieces are then transported by wind and water and eventually deposited in areas where the wind and water can no longer move them. Desertification is the degradation of land in dry areas due to climate change, overgrazing, and deforestation. Desertification is a serious problem that is threatening the livelihoods of millions of people around the world. This is why we must control desertification. Here are some examples.
China's desertification control policy is an ambitious and largely successful one. Why? The Chinese government has allocated significant funding to address desertification, with investments in this area totaling about $150 billion in the past decade. China's desertification control policy is based on four main pillars. China's desertification control policy has achieved significant results. The area of desertified land in China has decreased by 15% in the past decade. This policy has helped to improve the environment, increase agricultural productivity, and create jobs. The Gobi Desertification Control Project is one of the oldest and largest desertification control projects in China. Let us now talk about the African project to combat desertification. The Great Green Wall is a massive undertaking. It is planned to stretch 8,000 kilometers, 5,000 miles, from Senegal in the west to Djibouti in the east, and to cover an area of 11 million hectares, 27 million acres. The project is still in its early stages, but it has already had some success. In Niger, for example, the planting of trees has helped to improve soil fertility and increase crop yields. It helps to prevent desertification, which is the degradation of land in dry areas due to climate change, overgrazing, and deforestation. It improves soil fertility, which can lead to increased crop yields and food security. It provides jobs and economic opportunities for local communities. It helps to mitigate climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The Algerian Great Green Wall is a reforestation project in Algeria that was initiated in the 1960s to plant millions of trees to stop desertification, specifically to prevent the northward advancement of the Sahara Desert. The Algerian Great Green Wall has had some success in preventing desertification. However, the project has also faced challenges such as drought, lack of funding, and conflicts. Here are many advantages to deserts. Here are some of them.